Leftover rice. Add 4 eggs. Mix the eggs well with the rice. Set aside. 30 grams of butter, a good drizzle of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped garlic cloves, 150 grams spinach. Cover for a few minutes. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add smoked paprika. Set aside. A drizzle of olive oil in another pan. Let's make a layer with the rice. Add the spinach. Grate cheese on top of the spinach. With the remaining rice, we'll cover the spinach and cheese. Cover and cook for 10 minutes over medium heat. Flip from one pan to the other. Cook the other side for 10 minutes or until golden brown. 720 grams strong white flour. Sift the flour. 12 grams sugar. 7 grams salt. 14 grams dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Mix well. 1 egg. Add water. I'll use about 400 milliliters in total. I'll keep adding water as it goes. Now I'll use my hands. This is how I want the dough, not too sticky. Make a ball with the dough. Place the dough in a bowl, cover, and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now I'll knead the dough for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place it in a bowl, cover, and let it rest for 2 hours. Let's divide the dough into 3 parts. Let's make 3 ropes with the dough. Now we'll braid the dough. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Wash the eggs well. Sprinkle poppy seeds on top. Bake at 240 degrees Celsius or 465 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Lovely.